Hello YouTube, we are back. We're back with another, oh no, we're still here on this juncture. So, what is going on? The old, the new. Doing an unboxing, got the beautiful, Grandma opened it up already. We got a whole lot of headroom. Let's adjust you guys, shall I? Kick you up here. Alright. This is the box. So it took out the old motherboard, as you can see, and the CPU. Kept having an issue, couldn't get it to boot, tried everything. So here we are. We got gunshot pop, battle rack, the Intel Core unlocked i9 12th gen right shaw. I'll set that over here. More bubbly wraps. And then we got the friggin' motherboard for your ass. Motherboard for that ass. Alright, so, ooh, Lightning 5th gen, 14 outlets, power system, nice, 2x 8-pin CPU power, nice, front USB Type-C, nice, and then Lightning USB 20 gig, nice, alright, cool. Shield Frozer, I don't know what the fuck that is. I've just got a whole overview. I'll take a picture of the box and implant it here. But until we get this thing up and running, we cannot edit this video, so we have to get this thing running. So this supports 12th and 13th gen core. Nice, so we can even upgrade if we want to in this motherboard. A beaut, a real beaut. That's the motherboard. Oh shit, that thing keeps falling. It's just a USB port. So here's our case. We're going to use the old case. Eventually we'll buy a new case and put the old motherboard once we get it fixed and everything working. Might just get the cooler piece that I need for this and return this. We'll find out. We'll see how that works. But I got another Kraken 360. No, it fits the case. Fits the front of the case. I think it even fit the top, to be honest with you. And we might do a top down run. But then again, it gets more dust and stuff in the top than it does on this front pans. Kind of. Anyway, we're gonna get this thing together. It'll probably be like a time lapse again. Just easier than trying to focus on doing the two things at once, because I'm not a super professional PC builder. I am still pretty novice. But yeah, we didn't really need this for that, or this, because it's already an open box, but for the look. There we go. It's done. The box is open. We got the Corsair thermal paste. This is the XTM70. It's the extra cooling shit. Supposedly that's why it costs more. Yes. So for the CPU, got our Kraken. Let's get things put together, shall we? Time lapse mode.